So, Samsung's triple folding phone has been teased for a long time. Everyone's been waiting for that big release, finally getting it in our hands. But here's the shocking part. No matter how incredible this phone is, you probably won't be able to buy it. Today, we've got 5 big updates on the Z Trifold, including the one fans have been asking about for months. Just a couple of weeks ago, Samsung officials confirmed they're considering launching the Z Trifold before the year ends. And now, 2 fresh leaks point to when it's actually coming. First, a Korean report says Samsung has already started mass production, meaning we could see an unveiling as early as next month. Second, Ice Universe claims the launch is set for September 29th, alongside Samsung's XR headset and AR glasses. We already know the Z Trifold is getting a limited release, only in Korea and China. And get this, Samsung is only making 50,000 units for those 2 massive markets combined. So yeah, if you were hoping to import one through a friend or relative, good luck. It won't be that simple. Which raises the question, why would Samsung limit it this much? Well, officially, Samsung says they aren't sure if people even want this form factor. Honestly, that doesn't make much sense. Remember, Huawei launched the Mate XT last year and still sold over 400,000 units, even with a weaker processor, sky-high price, and no Google services. So yeah, clearly there's demand for way more than just 50,000 units. The real reason? Samsung's protecting its moneymakers. The Z Fold 7 is smashing records, and the Tab S11 is just around the corner. Why risk cannibalizing them with a flashy new foldable? If they launch the Trifold globally right now, it could easily eat into both of those lineups. And since this is Samsung's first ever Trifold, there will be flaws. Limiting it to just 50,000 units in Korea and China gives them time to fix things before a true global launch next year. Smart move, but also frustrating for the rest of us. Now on to features. New One UI 8 animations leaked, and they reveal some key functions. First up, the Trifold supports wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, and NFC payments. Not a huge surprise, but honestly, good to see confirmed. The animation even shows the charging area on the right side of the phone, just below the cameras. No exact numbers yet, but since the Z Fold 7 already does 15-watt wireless charging, it's safe to expect at least that here too. Another leak gives us our first look at multitasking, and this one's a game changer. The Trifold will actually let you run 3 full apps side by side. Now, technically the Z Fold 7 can also do 3 apps, but the problem is that 2 of them only get about 25% of the screen each. The Trifold fixes that with its giant display, giving each app proper space. You'll get 3 regular phone-sized apps side by side, in either vertical or horizontal layouts. Samsung calls this new feature Split Trio. On top of that, you can even mirror 3 home screens from the cover display straight into the main 10-inch panel. That way, your favorite apps and widgets are always right there, no matter which screen you're using. Honestly, that's a big win for productivity. Speaking of that 10-inch display, it folds inward using a G-folding mechanism. And don't worry about breaking it. Earlier leaked animations already showed Samsung's warning system if you fold it the wrong way. There's also a 6.5-inch cover display in the middle for quick access. Under the hood, the Trifold, or G-Fold since Samsung hasn't confirmed the name, runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite with 16 GB of RAM. On the back, it's got a triple camera setup, basically the same as the Z Fold 7. The Z Trifold is expected to be slightly thicker, but about the same weight as Huawei's Mate XT. Pricing is expected to be around 4 million won in Korea, or nearly $3,000. So yeah, this isn't going to be cheap. And by the way, Samsung's also launching the Galaxy S26 series in January, and the S26 Ultra is set to get some insane upgrades. If you're curious, I've got a full breakdown on that right here. This is TechTix, and I'll see you there.